Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to check traffic come from different search engine in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see statistic. So click on it. So I already installed this plugin and activate it. So we are in overview and then scroll down. You see multiple options. So we are going to monitor traffic from different search engine, and then you see referral from search engine. Now you see total 213, Google 206. Now you see 3, Yandex 2. You see all stats, and then you see date 18 August. Now select. Now you see today, yesterday, this week, last month. So you can select date according to requirement. If you want, you can select custom range. So it's up to you. And then you see view referral from search engine. So click on it and then scroll down. You see all detail is Google, Yandex 213275. Now you see graph. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.